So I end up buying this, and it seems like such a small package that it was a waste for the Amazon driver just to deliver these two little pieces. So I slipped in I think it was a $15 knife. So I did my part for the environment by buying a knife and saving a trip just to deliver these two things right here. Hey, it's Angel with Angel's Edge again. I got a knife unboxing here. So I was on Amazon, and I use a laptop to make my videos, and I'm limited to. Before I get started, if you like knife content on knives and stuff like that, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my page, and give me a thumbs up also on my video. So anyway, so I was on Amazon, and I'm limited to 2 ports on my laptop. So now I was doing some research, and it comes to find out that my laptop on the other side has a C port. You can buy an adapter from Amazon to make it into a regular USB. So I end up buying this, and it seems like such a small package that it was a waste for the Amazon driver just to deliver these two little pieces. So I slipped in I think it was a $15 knife. So I did my part for the environment by buying a knife and saving a trip just to deliver these two things right here. So anyways, if I get another camera, I might have another view eventually. But so anyway, so I end up buying this Mini Tac cold steel. So that was my excuse for buying it, and so I'm gonna do a little bit of a unboxing, but I already unboxed it, so I'll put it right here. Here's what it looks like compared to the USB adapters. But anyway, so actually it's kind of a different. It's a neck knife. You can't really. There's no. I think they have Cold Steel has some type of thing that you could adapt it to put it on your belt clip. I'm not sure, but I think they have something for that, but I don't know. I have to look that up. So it comes with a sheath, a neck chain, and you can wear it around your neck. So there we go. So it pulls out. So you see the blade's a good 3 inches long. So, but it has a real nice little short handle. So it's kind of like a stubby handle, but you have this huge finger choil that you can get your finger up in there, and I mean I almost get 4 fingers on it, but it's a little short of a handle, but that makes it not. You hear that click? Had a nice click to it. All right, I didn't prep for this. Let me pause this for a second, and I'll come back. All right, I'm back again. So I got the website loaded up so I can show you what I bought. Also, you might see the knife is not here because it's on my neck. I'm going to switch cameras up here and show you. Alright, so here is the knife itself, or on where I bought it. It was $16, and I don't remember being $16.13, but apparently that's what it was. I thought it was more of 15, but anyways, I want to try showing you guys something. If you look in this camera right here, you see where it would be hanging. I mean, you could cinch it up where you want it. Like, basically, it's a neck knife. So anyway, so let's go back to the web page or Amazon. Take this off. Alright, and lay this back down here. Alright, so it's the Cold Steel Mini Tac Series fixed blade with the knife sheath. Got it from the Cold Steel store. there's the Tonto one. That's more expensive. That's $33 for that one. I don't know why that one's so much more expensive, but it is. But this is the one I got, the Mini Tac. Like I said, I was just gonna tack on, just because I didn't, for tacking on, just so it just seemed like a waste for the guy to drive just for that little piece right there. So its overall length is 6.6 and 7/8 inches. The blade length, like I said, is kind of large just for such a small knife. It's 3 5/8. Blade thickness is 2 millimeter, and I believe a saber grind. And it's 8CR13. Has G10 style Grivix handle, so it looks like G10, but it's really plastic. But they did a good job making it look like a G10. Let me go back to the other screen. Make sure I'm recording. Alright. So yeah, I'll hold it up. You see it's the Grivix. That's their plastic. That's what they call their plastic. And they did like a pattern on it. So let's take a look at it closer. Right here. Cold steel. Bowie looking knife, clip point, 2 holes. I guess you could put a lanyard there if you wanted in one of the holes. Oh shit! Move these out of the way. Mini tac. Pretty simple. Nothing. It's very pointy. Very you poke yourself pretty good with it if you're not careful. Has fits in there real nice. Listen to that. So it ain't gonna shake out. So it's oh crap. Okay. I'll do that one more time. And I'll do some size comparisons. Click. Alright. Well, let's do a size comparison with the one everybody likes, the Smith & Wesson HRT, $9.99 at Tractor Supply. So it comes with the sheath and the clip for your neck clip. This one actually has a belt clip. So like I said, the Cold Steel does not have that. Well, oh, see, this one don't make an audible click like the Cold Steel does. It kind of does, but there's this one and compared to this one, you can see the blades are about the same size, but the Smith & Wesson HRT has not much, probably half-inch longer handle. So, well, I guess we'll compare it with a couple folders. Here's a Tenacious. Spyderco Tenacious. It's a larger knife, but of course, I mean, that's what it looks like. But this is not really it's hard to compare with the folders because it's not a folder, it's a neck knife. So you can see that there's the Gerber 06 OS or 06 assisted. So that's a fairly large knife. And here's for something for fun. Here's a little buck canoe knife. So you can see it's not a large knife, but it does have a fairly large blade for such a small handle. And we'll put this blade back. That one away. Let's take a measurement with the ruler. Even though if you count right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I thought it says 6. Oh yeah, it did say 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and almost 7 inches long total. The blade is just over 3. 1, 2, 3. 3.5 maybe. So you can see that. About 3.5. Cutting edge is probably 3 1/4. So, alright. Well, I must not have my plug plugged into my laptop. It's telling me it's on battery saver mode. Plug that back in. Alright. There we go. Alright, so I think that's about it. It's a pretty short video. I mean, it's nothing super exciting, but I'm going to have to check out, see if I can find, this wouldn't be a bad knife to put on your belt if you had like the belt clip. Let me try something real quick. I'm going to look back here. I wonder. Cold steel belt clips. I don't know if what's going to come up. Oh, no. Not much. That's holster mini. I don't really see anything. I read somewhere that they have some type of... Oh, wait, is this it? I don't know. There might be a way you could do that, but I don't know. I have to do research on that. Alright. I'm going to go back here. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up. So, just like I said, a real short video of the Cold Steel Mini Tac Bowie. So, give me a thumbs up on the video, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Bye.